Large organizations tend to hold big volumes of data on their workforce, which is often unstructured across different systems. Managing this data can be difficult, but making sense of it is one of OrgView's main capabilities. The platform brings your global workforce data together into a secure source of truth in a remarkably easy way. This creates a foundation for any analysis or action you might want to take within your organization. Let's look at how it's done. OrgView allows you to build a strong baseline by automatically bringing in your data from multiple sources. This screen shows an org chart of current employees, displaying position details in the core system. Let's say we wanted to see which of these are vacant. This would mean bringing in vacancy data into OrgView and combining it with existing data. The OrgView Implementation Hub is where all of this happens. It's where you manage your data and bring it together in order to visualize it. Going back to our original view, we can now see vacant positions as part of the initial org chart, which gives us better visibility of the organization. This is the type of information that needs to be refreshed on a regular basis, whether weekly, monthly, or yearly, and OrgView will do this for you automatically. But not all data needs to be refreshed frequently. Sometimes the information needs to be brought in manually as a one-off. Take, for example, rate card data. If we wanted to understand the expected cost for each vacancy, we'd bring in the information from spreadsheets, as you can see on this screen, and merge it with existing data. So, going back to the org chart, we can now not only see people, positions, and vacancies, but also the fully loaded cost associated with every individual. Let's say you wanted to see your people by location. All you'd need to do is color code your data by location, and OrgView will do the rest of the work for you. Once the platform has loaded the information, you can instantly start visualizing it in different ways and at multiple levels. Using OrgView's different graph types will change the way you look at your business and allow you to view it from different angles so you can draw valuable insights. In some cases, because the data is brought in from different sources, it won't necessarily be aligned. OrgView will allow you to perform actions such as merging data types with different labels, like gender and job title, and removing inconsistencies to create one version of the truth. In this case, Philadelphia is present twice in the legend, but named differently. A simple drag and drop within the legend will fix it. Let's do the same thing for London, and the chart will update automatically to give you a better picture of your employees' different locations. Another action you can perform is aligning reporting line errors. For example, on this tree view, the Chief Operating Officer and the Chief Supply Chain Officer should be reporting directly to the Chairman and CEO. Just like we did before, a drag and drop will reorganize the view and the chart will update automatically. It's important to mention that OrgView is compliant with local data protection regulations and ensures your data is secure. You have full control on who has access to sensitive and personal information and who can plan and monitor, but with a more restricted view. Managing your data in OrgView means setting the foundation of any structural work you might want to do, and the advantage of having consistency across the entire organization. It will provide you with the power to take strategic decisions to build a resilient business structure, solving the problems of today and ensuring you're ready for the challenges of tomorrow.